Hello, my name is Sean from the Global Life Settlement Exchange. We are the world's first free life settlement auction marketplace. Today I'm going to talk about the benefits of selling your life insurance policy to a life settlement provider versus a private buyer. When it comes to selling your life insurance policy, there are two options: selling to a life settlement provider or selling to a private buyer. While both options provide a way to access the cash value of your policy, there are distinct benefits to selling to a life settlement provider. In this video, we will explore the benefits of selling your life insurance policy to a life settlement provider compared to a private buyer. When you sell your life insurance policy to a life settlement provider, you're guaranteed a lump sum payment. This payment is based on the value of your policy and is typically higher than what you would receive if you were to surrender your policy to the insurance company. In contrast, selling to a private buyer is less predictable. Private buyers may negotiate a lower price or may not follow through with the purchase, leaving you without the cash you were counting on. When you sell your life insurance policy to a life settlement provider, you are no longer responsible for paying premiums or managing the policy. This can be a relief for policyholders who no longer need or want their policy. In contrast, selling to a private buyer may require you to continue paying premiums until the policy is transferred to the buyer's name. This ongoing obligation can be burdensome for some policyholders. Selling your life insurance policy to a life settlement provider is typically a faster and more convenient process than selling to a private buyer. Life settlement providers have a streamlined process for evaluating policies and making offers. This can result in a quicker turnaround time for receiving cash. In contrast, selling to a private buyer can be a lengthy process that requires more effort on the part of the policyholder. When you sell your life insurance policy to a life settlement provider, you do not need to involve a broker or agent. The life settlement provider handles the entire transaction, from evaluating the policy to making an offer to transferring ownership of the policy. In contrast, selling to a private buyer may require the services of a broker or agent, which can result in additional fees and expenses. Life settlement providers are more accessible to older and unhealthy policyholders than private buyers. Life settlement providers specialize in purchasing policies from individuals who may not be able to get a good price from other buyers due to age or health issues. In contrast, private buyers may only be interested in policies from healthy individuals or those with a long life expectancy. Global Life Settlement Exchange, your trusted partner. Consider listing your policy on our free, no-obligation auction marketplace so that buyers can compete for the best deal available depending on your particular circumstances. Global Life Settlement Exchange, GLSE, is a marketplace that specializes in life settlements. We have a thorough awareness of the market and assist policyholders in selling their insurance policies for the highest price possible through a transparent auction. The first free life settlement auction marketplace in the world, Global Life Settlement Exchange charges no fees to sellers. The process is simple, and there is zero fee and obligation to the seller. You just need to provide your policy details to us, and that's all you need to do. You will receive the highest offer from the market in a few weeks or so. Unlike traditional brokers, GLSE does not charge a fee for its services. This means sellers keep more of the money from the sale of their policy, which can be a significant sum. Even if you have already hired a broker, a seller like you can still acquire a second opinion. GLSE gives the seller complete control, allowing them to select the best offer without being constrained by middlemen, brokers, obligations, or fees. The traditional process of selling a life insurance policy involves working with brokers who have access to buyers. These buyers determine the value of the policy, leaving sellers with little control. However, with GLSE, sellers have complete control over the process. They can choose to accept or reject offers as they see fit, without any obligation or fee. This puts the power in the hands of the seller. Life settlement was predominantly a buyer market, where buyers determine the value of the policy. However, GLSE is shifting the balance of power to the seller. By providing an open and competitive marketplace, GLSE puts the seller in control of the process. The seller can choose to accept or reject offers as they see fit, ensuring that they receive the best possible value for their policy. In conclusion, Global Life Settlement Exchange is revolutionizing the life settlement market by increasing transparency and putting the power in the hands of the seller. With GLSE, sellers can receive the highest possible offer for their policy, keep more of their money, and make an informed decision about whether to sell. Our zero-fee platform provides a no-obligation opportunity for sellers to explore their options, and the elimination of middlemen ensures that sellers receive the full value of their policy. GLSE is transforming the life settlement market, providing a fair and competitive platform for sellers to receive the value they deserve.
Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please hit the like and subscribe button to support us.